So, what's in this module? Binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system.
Hello champions, I hope you are preparing very well for your board examination. So in this video, I have planned to bring something very essential for both ISC board and for CBSE board. In this particular video, we will be learning various types of number system that we have. Okay. So first of all, the first number system that we are going to learn is binary number system. Binary number system. So you must be aware of this type of number system, that is binary number system. Binary number systems are nothing but the combinations of zeros and ones. Wherever you will be finding the combinations of zeros and ones only, you will consider that is nothing but my binary number system. For example, 10010. This is that nothing but my binary number system. But whenever I will be using as a student, you must be confused, you will feel, so it can easily be said as 10,010, right? How can we distinguish this particular binary number system with the number system that we are writing, like 1 2 3 4? How can we distinguish? For that, the distinguish can only be done with their base. So what happened, there is another rule that whenever we will be dealing with binary number system, our base will be 2. Number system, our base will be represented with 2. Our base will be represented with 2. Why does it happen? I'm saying the reason why only we will be writing the 2 at the base. Will be represented with 2. So as per the above example, let us write in a proper binary form. It will be represented as this 10010. Then the base will be 2. Why only 2? Remember. So what are the types of digits do we have in our number system? Only 2, right? That is 1 and 0. That is why we have mentioned here 2. So wherever you will be observing that there will be 8 number of digits, 8 types of digits that is present in any of the system, you will be representing it with 8. Likewise, we will be following this process. Now have you understood? Binary number system is nothing but the combinations of zeros and ones having base as 2 and just as the subscript of that particular number. Okay, so wherever you will be finding this combination, you will be considering this is nothing but this belong to binary number system. Okay. Now let us move on to another number system which is also important, that is decimal number system. What is this decimal number system? This decimal number system is not as same as you are learning in maths, that is decimal. Okay, there is a different approach for understanding this decimal number system. In computer language, decimal numbers are nothing but the numbers where we have digits starting from 0 to 9, like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So in any of the number, if you will find the combination of these digits that I have mentioned in your screen, you will be considering that as decimal number system. So you can see the range that start from 0 to 9 of the digits and you are making a number out of it, you will be considering that as what? Decimal number system. So for example, I can take 1 2 4 3. Yes. So this will be considered as my decimal number system. Now you will be, I can write many other examples, like there can be repeated digits as well. I told any common numbers that you ever see in your maths are considered to be as decimal number system. Now talking about the base, do we have any base for this decimal number system? Yes, we do have base. Now just count the different types of digits that we have in the decimal number system. How many? 0 to 9. Is it 10? Yes. So the base or the subscript of our decimal number system will be what? 10. So as per the examples that I have mentioned, if I will be representing it with the correct form of decimal, that will be 1 2 4 3 and the base will be 10. Likewise, if I will be taking another example, it will be 1142 and the base will be 10. Okay, accordingly we will be following for other combination numbers. Okay, did you get what I'm saying? Now let us talk about another important number system, that is octal number system. Okay, what is this octal? It's a very important one. You need to remember this octal number system. This is the most easiest way that we can learn any type of number system. Now talking about octal number system. So here the combination will the unit digits that we have will be from 0 till 7. Means octal means 8. If we will be counting digits from 0 to 7, what do we get? Don't we get 8 number of digits? Yes, do we get 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So this will be nothing but my 8. So if 8 is there, we will be considering it as octal number system. Now 8 from 0 to 7, 0 to 7. Do we have any base or subscript as we were following for the previous two number systems? Yes, we have. We have base. That you need to say. What will be the correct base or subscript? Correct base or subscript? The base will be nothing but 8, right? Base subscript, that is 8. So, oh, here I have not given example. Now the as I have mentioned, the combination of digits will be from 0 to 7 only. Likewise, if I will giving example, let me give one example over here. Like 1 2 4 9. Can you see me? Can this be a octal number system? Will this belong to octal number system? See, let's verify. See, I'm having 1 as the digit. Yes, it's correct. I'm having 2 as the digit, and it comes in the range between 0 to 7. So it's correct. And now I'm talking about 4, which comes under the range between 0 to 7. It's correct. Now I'm having 9. No, 9 cannot come. 9 does not come under the range between 0 to 7, right? So I can say no. This cannot be called as an octal number. It cannot come under octal number system. Now let me take another example. 1 2 4 3. Okay. Can this will be considered as octal number system? I have already explained you how to verify whether a number comes under octal number system or not. Likewise, you can see yes, 1, 2 can be, 4 is coming under the range, 3 is coming under range. So you will be considering yes, this can one of the octal number system. And as I have disclosed with the second point, we do have a subscript of, that is base, that is 8. So you can represent it in this way: 9243 base 8. Okay, did you get what I'm saying? Yes. Now we will be talking about another important number system, that is hexadecimal number system. The concept is very good, but once you need to understand it very carefully, otherwise you will be making mistake. Number system. Okay, inside this hexadecimal number system, we do have digits from 0 to 9 as usual. Yes, and A to E. And 11, this is 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13, this is 14, and this is 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, till 16, sorry. From A to F. Okay. So these are the combinations that you will be finding in any of the hexadecimal system. Now just count the number of different digits that you have. 0 to 9 is 10, and this is 6. That means total 16. So by this you will be verifying that the base of my hexadecimal will always be having 16 at the base. Yes. So the base is nothing but my base of this number will be 16. Easy. Now the example of this. You need to very carefully observe the example of this particular number system. So now let us take 1 to 9. Can this be hexadecimal number system? Now let us verify. Yes, once 1 come under 0 to 9 and A to F. 2 comes under 0 to 9 and A to F. 9 also comes under 0 to 9 and A to F. Yes. So this can be called as hexadecimal system, but that need to be represented with base 16, otherwise we won't be calling this, because if I will be writing 1 to 9 only, then there is a confusion, right? Whether this will be considered as a hexadecimal number system or a decimal number system. Are we not confused by this? Yes, we do. So that is why the base need to be maintained properly for understanding our hexadecimal number system. Yeah. Now let me give another example. 1 to ABC. Can this be can this particular number that I have written, or the combination of alphabets and numbers that I have mentioned, or alphanumeric expression whatever I have written, will this be considered as my hexadecimal number system? Now let's verify. 1, yes, 1 comes under the range. 2, yes, 2 comes under the range. Now this A, does it come does this particular A comes under the range between A to F? Yes. Yes. This B, yes. C, yes. Okay, so this will be considered as your hexadecimal number system. Now I need to represent it with base 16, right? Yeah. Now by this particular session, you must have understood how this the number system are different from one another, and what are the base that need to be maintained, and what combination of digits that we need to maintain for representing our different number system. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned something very valuable. If you're first time watching this particular video, make sure that you subscribe to this particular channel, like this particular video and share with your friends. Thank you so much and happy learning.